Welcome to the PowerPoint Presentations Workshop. Here is an outline of the topics we are going to cover in this session. Before we start, please make sure you have Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your computer or electronic device. If you do not have PowerPoint installed on your device, please click on the link at the bottom of the slide to access Office 365. Sometimes when creating a PowerPoint, we try to put too many words onto a slide. As you can see from this slide, it becomes difficult to read and difficult to see what your point is. This slide has the same information as the last one, but I've used bullet points to identify the same points I was making on the last slide. Believe it or not, this slide has the same information as the last two, but now I've condensed it right down. Use PowerPoint to remind you of the points you need to speak about and the order in which you are going to present those points. PowerPoint comes preloaded with slide designs to make your presentation visually attractive to the audience, though you need to bear in mind that the design you select should be appropriate to the topic and audience. Hearts and balloons as a background for a scientific presentation to a group of businessmen is probably inappropriate. Similar to the readability slides, pictures can also overload your presentation and make your purpose unclear. Use pictures sparingly to illustrate your point. The final forms of media that you can add to your PowerPoint are audio and video clips. While you can add personal videos to your presentation, there is also an option to add YouTube clips. Be warned, videos require a solid Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you test it before you formally deliver your presentation. Once your PowerPoint is complete, consider what you are going to say. Which words are important? Are your slides in the right order? Does the content resonate with your dialogue? Also, practice speaking and using your PowerPoint. Speak slowly. When we get nervous, we rush our words, which makes it difficult to understand. And finally, test your PowerPoint presentation out at school. Is it working the way you intended it to? How will you access your PowerPoint file? Do you need a memory stick, or will you email it to yourself? This is an optional activity. Explore PowerPoint and see how many of these bullet points you can follow.